At 43 years old, Tom retired from his 9-to-5 job, not because he inherited money, but because he learned how to make money work for him. At 23, Tom graduated with a mechanical engineering degree and landed a stable job before even finishing college. But when Tom met his supervisor, James, he saw a future he didn't want. Same desk, same routine. Tom realized something strange. The people making money seemed to have no time to enjoy life. This is the story of the 3 stages Tom went through to reach financial freedom. One embarrassing moment at the library changed everything. The first lesson Tom learned was simple. Pay yourself first. Like many beginners, Tom chased risky investments. His money doubled in days, then collapsed. Tom learned one of Warren Buffett's most important rules: never lose money. Instead of quitting, Tom became obsessed with learning. By saving $1,000 every month, Tom reached $20,000 in just 2 years. When his parents offered money for a house, Tom made a difficult decision. He chose assets over appearances. Tom stopped chasing exciting investments. Instead, he bought businesses he understood. His friend Steven chased hype and speculation. Tom stayed cautious. And somewhere between investing books and library visits, Tom fell in love. Sarah shared Tom's values. Together, they increased their savings rate and built a stronger future. At 29 years old, Tom reached his first $100,000. Then something painful happened. Steven became a millionaire overnight. Everyone around Tom upgraded their lifestyle. But Tom remembered something important. Then the market crashed, and while others panicked, Tom saw opportunity. Tom treated stocks like groceries, not perfume. When prices fell, he bought more. The years after the crash became some of the best investing years of Tom's life. Eventually, Tom and Sarah bought a house and started a family. Not because society pressured them, but because Tom switched companies for a higher salary. But by then, his investments were growing faster than his paycheck. While others spent extra hours chasing promotions, Tom spent extra hours improving as an investor. He even revived an old passion, photography. Before turning 44, Tom reached $1 million and walked away from his 9-to-5 forever. Now Tom owns the most valuable thing in life: his time. Steven got rich quickly, but lost it just as quickly. Tom wasn't a genius. He wasn't lucky. He simply stayed consistent long enough for compounding to change his life. Invest for freedom, not for flexing. The END.